Europe Family TV, the place of real news. For entertainment, documentary, social issues. Then watch Europe Family TV, the place of real news. Europe Family TV, the place of real news.
Yeah, hi, good evening to you all. Good evening to you all. This is Europe Family TV. I know say when I the surprise say Europe Family TV na Gloria the hoster. But why today na man they here? Yeah, we today say vibe in five. We are here together to vibe together. I'm the owner of or the CEO of the Blacks in Europe TV, and Gloria is, you understand, is my wife. She's my lovely one. So as much as she have this, I can also come here. We will do videos together. Today we are here to talk, to vibe together, to educate ourselves, to learn together, and mostly today we are here to talk about documents, and we know it's the most important and the most major thing that most of our viewers like to watch. And I know you asked that where is Gloria? She's here, she's live here, but she's not other feeling great to do a video, not like maybe she's sick or ill or something else, but she's not feeling, the vibes is not there. Because doing video is passion or inspirations. So today she don't feel like coming to do the video with us. Today we want to talk about documents and explain some things further to you guys. What we want to explain is many people are in Germany, in France, in Italy, in Holland, in Switzerland, Belgium, and they are deporting them back to Italy. And many of them are asking that why is there those people are deporting them, because some of the people have stayed in Germany, they don't stay there for more than 5 years, for 3 years, for 6 years, some self don't born for them, but Germans say may they come back to Italy. Why did they deport them? They come. The reason why is there is a law called Dublin regulations, Dublin law, Dublin migrant. These Dublin regulations and laws, it means say anybody where you first arrive for Italy or for Spain, if you come out go Germany or France people or German people or Holland people, they not get hand for your case. You must come back to Italy. Now Italy people now rescue you, not them. They don't give them money to take care of you. So you where they come Germany, they know the purpose, the reason why you are coming there. So now in the law, where be like say the law, now Matteo Salvini and Luigi Di Maio, the foreign minister and the interior minister at that time, now them signed this law with European Union. I make now many people they tell them say because of Dublin law, may they come back, Dublin law, may they come back. And people when they ask say the Dublin law, like if they use the Dublin law deport you, come back to Italy, whether they go agree accept you for camp. So far as you get a paper where show say na Dublin law deport you, they go accept you for camp, they go deport you come the first area where you first go. So with there you go start and applying for your document once again. And I know say people now they say yeah, Euro family mo now they talk about the paper where they say they won't share. Yes, Italy is planning to share documents for immigrant people who are working. No be those people where they street they do a shower, they do prostitute, they do unnecessary work. They won't share the document. Give people where be like say they work, they get working contracts, but they not get document. And the thing is still there on Parliament where they debate on today. Yesterday, because today is Saturday. Yesterday we read the news on social media where be like say Italians, their interior minister, they talk and say this law they try say before from this March to April they go approve the law, whether they go approve or they no go approve, and we dey wait maybe we know whether they go approve. Now they still talk put say if they approve the law, maybe one Nigeria person call you, like example like me, I be blogger, I'm on YouTube, maybe I can't call you say my dear, you feel bring 1,000 euro, I go help you get paper. You say that person made the arrest now. The document where they won't release, no black person I won't share the document, na Italian, na the interior minister. So you go question the immigration office, now you go apply for the document whether they will give you or not. And people they talk about one paper where people don't run go post Italian post office, they go they collect the paper, they call them post kits. That post kit where they don't write say one boy where they call Osas I think na be name. Say you say Italy dey share paper, make you go post, go collect your own, dey share paper. My dear brother, my dear viewer, my dear sister, my dear listener, Italy no dey share paper for any post office. That paper wey the guy show na paper wey be like say na requesting for your permits, your permesso or your carta di soggiorno, or to renew and to apply for your carta di soggiorno or other papers. No be for applying of sharing of document. They know they share document. Na people wey wan renew their document or apply for carta di soggiorno na be wetin the paper mean. So you wey your issue dey court, your issue dey appeal, you don go commission, your result never come, or they don give you negative, or they say make you reapply for asylum again. This paper no get use for you. No go waste your energy, go apply for this paper. Subscribe to this channel, drop your comment if you no understand anything. The channel na Europe Family TV. You fit go Blacks in Europe TV. There too we dey drop many informations about news as we dey drop am for here. This channel belongs to my lovely and my beloved one, Gloria. Yeah, so we are here to support, to give the information, to share the details to all your people. If you need anything, you want something, you want ask question, you go fit call 3510851685. Any question about your document, you go fit drop and we go answer you. Thanks for watching and subscribing and sharing. You where you want renew your documents, may you contact us. We go help you. We go put you in the process. We no be lawyer, no be we dey renew one, but we go help you where office where you suppose go. If you no understand something, you go fit go Centro Impiego or you go Questura. There any information, no dey go street say you won't go buy this thing working contract. Say person say he won't give you contract, may you take renew the paper. Contract where he give you at least every 3 months he must give you booster paga. You know they bring all those booster paga. If the paper expire again, how you go take renew one? Cause you must show your booster paga and many things. And who get Kazi special and humanitarian when you want renew, you must do your passport, you must get your country passport and also get a working contract for renewing your paper. We know say they say Salvini don't lose election, but in laws they never still change the laws, so the laws still remain as it remained before. Kazi special humanitarian, you must get a working contract. Any blogger will go blog say you feel renew all those paper without a contract, the person is deceiving you. He is not there to work for you, but rather to work as a YouTuber or a blogger to get money. He's working as his or her own personal interests. So please subscribe to this channel, share this video to all your friends. To apply for your titolo di viaggio, go to where you thumbprint for your document. If you know say you get 5 years asilo or 5 years subsidiary, if you go immigration office, not Questura. The Questura you get Questura for only thumbprinting the first time where you come. Now they get Questura for immigration and immigration's Questura. Then now you dey thumbprint if you get 5 years document, 2 years document, and so on and so forth. You go there, you go tell them say you want apply for your titolo di viaggio, that's European passport for refugees. They go do for you. Highest 3 months it don't come out. And people where they get asilo, where they say they won't go apply for their country passport, I warned you and I'm warning you. Any person who have asilo politico, you cannot apply for your country passport, and you cannot also go straight to your country. You can go your continent, but not straight to your country. Let's bear this in mind. Subscribe, drop your comment, and let me know your side of it. Adios. See you next time. Stay blessed and connect with Europe Family TV. Thanks. Subscribe and share.